In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create salary chart in Microsoft Excel. If you want to present salary data in a way that's clean, visual, and easy to understand, Excel makes the process very simple. In this walkthrough, we'll create a basic salary chart from an existing table using one of Excel's built-in chart tools. This is a great option when you want to compare salary values across different entries and make the information easier to read at a glance. To begin, select the data range from A1 to B6. Make sure you include both the labels and the salary values because Excel uses the full selected range to understand what should appear on the chart. The first column usually contains the categories or names of the items you're comparing, and the second column contains the salary amounts. Selecting the correct range at the start is important since it helps Excel build the chart accurately without missing any information. Once the data is selected, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. This tab contains all the tools used to add visual elements such as charts, tables, and other objects into your worksheet. For this task, we're focusing specifically on the chart section, where Excel offers several formats depending on how you want your data displayed. In the Charts group, click Insert Column or Bar Chart. This opens a menu of chart styles that are commonly used for comparing values. Column charts are especially useful when you want to show differences in amounts side by side, which makes them a strong choice for salary data. A bar chart could also work, but for this example, we'll continue with a column chart. From the list of available chart types, select 2D clustered column. This option creates vertical columns that represent each salary value clearly and separately. It's one of the most straightforward chart styles in Excel, so it works well for simple comparisons and professional-looking reports. If you're new to charts, this is a dependable format to start with because it's easy to read and widely recognized. As soon as you click that option, Excel will create the salary chart automatically. The chart will appear in your worksheet and visually represent the data from your selected range. At this point, you'll have a basic salary chart ready to use. If needed, you can later move it, resize it, or format it further, but the chart itself is now successfully created. And that's how to create a salary chart in Microsoft Excel quickly and easily.